Okay.
We're doing tosses around the world. So for each toss, it's going to be the exact same thing. 4 spins into a stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5. Hit 7. Nice strong elbow at the top. Hold 8. Oh, 9, 10, 11. Hold 12. And then it'll be a move. 13, 14, 15, 16. Or hold, 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 hold. So in context, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 13, 14, 15, 16. I didn't tell you about that. So catch 11, hold 12. It's a snap. 13, 14, 15, 16. We are going to mark time. So your feet will always be moving in 5, 6, 7, 8, left and right, and left and right. Okay, so in context we'll say 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and down. 2, 3, 4, hit 5 and 7 and 9, 10, 11 and 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th and down. 2, 4, hit 5 and 7 and 9, 11. It's magical. We're going to always turn towards the right. And 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 3, 4, 5.